Welcome, it's Simon from Chameleon Mode. This is going to be a short video on how to set up a new profile. Now this is the dashboard. This is where your favorite profiles appear. We'll get to that in the next video. We still haven't added any favorites to this dashboard. So to create a new profile, click on Profiles and then New Profile. Now let me just explain, before we click a new profile, when you create a profile in Chameleon, it works a little bit differently than other types of systems. You automatically create an entirely segmented instance on your computer, which is going to give you control over Chrome, Firefox, and Brave. We're going to have other browsers added in shortly, but these are the browsers that you can currently use. So that means each browser instance, each one of these browsers are going to be connected to a profile. And within each profile will have a unique canvas fingerprint and all of the security settings automatically enabled, or rather all of the flags disabled. So you're fully functional, fully secure as soon as you click New Profile. So we're going to do that right now, New Profile, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now the only thing you need to add now is your proxies. So if you're using our proxies, the one that are built in, then it's very simple. You just auto-populate that in the proxy page. We're going to add an option here to auto-populate it from here, but as of now you don't have that option. What you can do is, if you've got your own proxies, you just add in the IP here, the port goes here, proxy username goes here, and proxy password. And as I mentioned, canvas value is already set for you, and all of the security vulnerabilities are turned off. You can then go ahead and customize your profile name. Demo 6/25, that's today's date, and then make sure to click Save Changes. Once you see that updated successfully, it means that it's synced with the server. So now this profile, wherever you go ahead and log in with this username and password for your Chameleon, you'll get access to this profile information. And then the person, same thing. You go ahead and add up here, top right, add person, add the name, all of the personal information, if relevant, business information, address information, and login information, which is, that's gonna be the most important, where you add the email and username and passwords that you're going to want to use across all of your sites. If you have multiple logins, you can go ahead and add multiple logins as well. Just make sure to title them so that you can manage them easily when you access them later in browser mode, and I'll do that for you right now. So we're going to do default, for example, and then we'll say demo at mode.com, user, demo, password, whatever, and that's it. Save changes. And now if you want to go straight into the browsers, you can access them from right up here, right? So if you want to go ahead and use Brave, now there's no proxy enabled, so it's going to come up with a local IP address. I'm going to just do that so we don't have the local IP address come up. And as you can see, it's highlighted up here, so you can see it's open. If you want to access the username and password, that's where I was explaining before why it's important to add the logins. You can click this button here, which is copy paste window. That opens that up, and then it stays on top always. So if you're going to go ahead if you want to go to Gmail or wherever you're going to go and you need to quickly get the information, you just click this button, and when you click that, it automatically pastes it and you see it's copied to the clipboard. We're going to remove that shouldn't be there. It can get a little bit annoying, so that little update there will be removed soon, so that you don't have that each time you click this button. But that's how it works. Added a profile, and now you have access to that profile information across your browsers, and I'll show you how to use Chameleon Mode later in one of the next videos, so that you can have access to all of your browsers, all of the profiles, all of the usernames at your fingertips while you're multi-browsing, while you've got multiple browsers open. All right, see you in the next video. Any questions? Comment below.